So let's look at how to install the MetaMask mobile app. MetaMask is required to view and interact with your NFTs and cryptocurrency on the blockchain. It also provides you with a way to purchase cryptocurrencies and from there use that cryptocurrency to purchase NFTs. So if you're an Android user, visit the Google Play Store and type MetaMask. Then click the app with the fox. If you're an iPhone user, visit the App Store, type in MetaMask and then click on Download. And then click Get Started. On the next screen you'll have two options. You can either import your secret recovery phrase from a previous installation of MetaMask, or you can create a new wallet. In this example we're going to create a new wallet. Next you'll have the option to share some usage statistics with MetaMask. In this example we're going to click No Thanks. And then you need to select a password. This is for you so you can access MetaMask on your mobile device. And from there, just keep following the on-screen prompts.